Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Sorry guys, I was sick, so I was unable to do many videos. Okay, but we'll make sure we'll do it hereafter. So this is a market analysis video, so let's see. We have 4 stocks for swing trading. We have market Nifty, Bank Nifty and US oil and gold analysis as usual. So if you guys see, market has reached its all-time high. Okay, so this is Nifty index. Market has reached its all-time high. And what we can see is this is an uptrend. Okay, this is a very sharp uptrend. Tomorrow what can happen? Okay, tomorrow what I'll be trading is if market crosses 20,270 290. Okay, 20,290, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and this swing, below this swing, will be my stop loss. Okay, I know there is a higher probability for this swing to get hit, but it's totally fine. Here will be my stop loss. That is this 20,245 to 240 will be my stop loss. Target we don't know. Always hold the winning trades. So this is how you're gonna trade it. Negative. See, nobody can catch the top and the bottom of the market. Okay, so where will I sell it? For me, the safest sell will be this swing. Okay, this swing and this swing will be my safest sell. Before that, I'm not looking forward to sell anything. Okay, it is only buy market. Market can reverse from here. Yes, there is a very high probability because it's an all-time high. Panic selling can happen. So see, basically how it happens is it's a domino effect. Okay, so tomorrow profit booking will be set up in the morning. Then what will happen? The amateurs, whoever don't know how the market works, they'll start selling it. Even the big market will start shorting, and that's the domino effect. It'll keep falling down. Okay, that is how it happens. So if it hits stop loss once, it's totally fine. Try entering it again, uh, because capturing the top is kind of very tough, guys. Only you have to be capturing top and bottom is very tough. Okay, you have to be an expert when you do that. So this is my setup for tomorrow. For selling, see, this is a good level for me to sell, but it might become volatile here. So I will be selling it post 20,001. Well, let's keep it as 20,200. If market comes below 20, that is 20,200, I'll be looking forward to sell, but not aggressively, only a very small portion, because I'll be aggressively selling only after 20,000. Okay, but buy is what I'm on. Let's see how market performs tomorrow. Next is Bank Nifty. Let me break down this trade. So what happened here? We entered the trade. 1:4 ratio. We exited it. In 5 minutes, we had a big resistance over here, which was taken down. So this was the resistance, which was taken down. We entered here, and what happened? I had my stop loss set exactly here. Okay, so here is where my trade got exited, exactly at 13. There is where 1 o'clock something my trade got exited here with 1:3.5 risk to reward ratio. Okay, because my stop loss was also 50 points, and after that I did not buy anything. Let's see how market's gonna perform tomorrow, and then let's think about buying or selling. But as of now, I'm neutral on Bank Nifty. It's because there is a very high probability it can go sideways, because tomorrow morning what will happen is I'm expecting it to gap up, or it might go sideways. Gap down might happen after a big red candle, because so much of profit has come and profit booking has to happen. Okay, after this run, this kind of a profit booking has to happen. It will happen, and then only it will go up. It can't be going straight like this. It always has to go like this. Okay, so liquidity here has to be taken, liquidity here has to be taken. After this only market will go. All right, that diagram was just for a confirmation to show how liquidity thing works. So tomorrow Bank Nifty, I'm not gonna trade Bank Nifty tomorrow, guys, so let's not even think about it. And US oil. Okay, US oil, Friday's key levels are marked. So how do you mark it? Go to 4-hour time frame, Friday's last candle. Okay, mark high and low of the candle, so you get a level. This is a no trade zone. If you guys see this zone, this red zone, okay, this red line and this red line, between this there is a no trade zone, so don't trade it. But market has been here. Tomorrow it might open here somewhere close, but I'm looking for only to sell it. If you guys see, it's a negative trend. Okay, on daily time frame, it's a negative trend. Okay, this is a sideway market. Sideway, it gave a breakdown. Post 71 I will be aggressively selling it. Post $71.90 I'll be aggressively selling it. Before that I'm not selling aggressively. I'm playing with only with small quantity. Tomorrow I'll have two trades most probably. One, if market opens somewhere at $75 or $74, I will be looking forward to sell post this, that is post $74 I will be selling it, and my target will be $72.25. Or if I don't get an opportunity there, my next opportunity will be here exactly at $73.80 and below. Okay, target is the same. So this is the trade for tomorrow. If a market goes up, then we'll see how it works. Upside momentum post $79.25 or $79.15 and above, we'll be looking forward to buy it. Buy, there is a very much huge gap on the upper side. This is the resistance, and there are a lot of resistance which it has to pass. For market it's easy guys, it'll pass. Okay, if it has to pass, it'll pass. So this is for US oil. Next is gold. Next is gold. Gold has crossed our levels, so we booked a profit here. It went sideways, took support on this trend line, and it went up. This is its all-time high guys. All-time high has been broken. Okay, all-time high has been broken. Now market has to sustain one or two more candles here, but we already have a positions here. That is Friday we entered last minute. We had an entry here, so we entered somewhere here. Okay, on this 4-hour candle we entered like this, and this was my stop loss. Below this 4-hour candle was my stop loss. My stop loss something looking like this. It's just 0.15%. Okay, upside momentum. I am sitting in 1:1.5. I can book it, but I want to let it go. So let's see how this trade works. So this is how my trade looks now. So tomorrow, if it sustains more here, I will be adding more position here. That is at 2075. I'll be adding more position, and my stop loss will be same. Okay, so that's it for gold. Next is swing trading stocks. Let's get into it. LIC is a ITC is a very good stock. Many people have been holding for many years. They were crying for a lot of years. It's because it was sideways, not giving any kind of, see, this was a very wrong time for ITC people, and this was a wrong time for ITC people. Who were bought here came down, if you guys see, and it has started giving a rally. Now this is a good rally. If you guys see, this is a trend line. After this burst, it went up. Now again we are getting that burst again here. So tomorrow I'll be entering at 451 or 452, and my stop loss will be 440 or 439. Okay, and my target is unlimited. Okay, but my first target is this one. Let me tell you clearly. First target will be 495. After that we'll be trailing stop losses. That's for ITC. Next is GAIL. GAIL on a weekly time frame is giving a very good breakout. Oh load already, come on. Okay, so if you guys see GAIL, this is a good pattern. After this breakout is a very strong breakout guys. This pattern itself is a very strong pattern, so it's giving a breakout. Tomorrow I'm expecting 1 or 2 candle to survive here on a daily time frame. If one candle also survive, I'll be entering, and below this swing will be my stop loss. That is 126 or 125 will be my stop loss. I'll be entering at 140 or 138. Okay, these are my levels for GAIL. Next is MOIL. Okay, MOIL is breaking its all-time high. Okay, 2 resistance has been broken. Now it's sustained here on a daily time frame. If you see, it has survived. Okay, it has survived with a very strong candle. So my entry price will be 320. Okay, 320 will be my entry price, and my stop loss will be 280. All right, for MOIL. Next is Policy Bazaar. Many people say it's a cup and handle, this, that. I don't want to do all that. It's just basic support and resistance for me. Okay, support tried breaking, but support was, sellers tried to break the support, but buyers were strong, they took it up. Buyers have even broke the resistance now. It has survived here very good way. So if you guys see, and it has spent some time. Okay, so here many accumulation has happened. Many people have bought. A lot of buy orders, sell orders have happened here. That is buying, profit booking, buying, profit booking, buying, profit booking, another profit booking, another buying has happened, and this buying took it up. Okay, so here another profit booking might happen. So if I get a price anywhere, okay, from 825 to 65, I will be definitely buying it. And my stop loss will be 800 and let's be very clear, the stop loss is here. Okay, my stop loss will be this. 795 will be my stop loss. Okay, upside we don't know, let's keep running the stop loss. Alright guys, so I hope you guys have had some valuable information in this video. I hope you guys like my content. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. I will be posting regular videos, okay, and the market analysis will be every day, and new videos will be coming very shortly. I'm backtesting a lot of strategies, and with all the results I'll come up. Okay, so thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Take care. Bye bye.